Hi, I'm Shawn Weaver with Pantheon Sales and Rental, and we offer pillars of support. We're here to support you, take care of you. I want to talk about the 3330 by NSS. Amazing machine, guys. This is for an auto scrubber. If you're in the business of janitorial, but if you're in the business of concrete polishing and you got to get slurry off the floor, this is the machine. It's a very durable machine, made in Toledo, Ohio, and it works really, really well. It's a polycarbonate base here, 10-year warranty, stainless steel frame. It's just a great machine. This machine, if you don't get 15 years out of it, you're doing something wrong. Seriously, it'll last that long, even using and abusing it. So what's really neat about this machine is the price point's actually really good, but it's just a very simplistic machine. It doesn't have all these electronics, all this fancy stuff on it that you maybe want on your car, but not on a auto scrubber. So everything's pretty manual. So this is the 3330. That means 33 inches wide, cleaning path, huge, and a 30 gallon solution tank. And then it has a 32 gallon recovery tank, okay? It's a 36 volt system. This will last all day. You can get it in regular maintenance batteries and then AGM batteries. AGMs can be a little bit more expensive. So, you know, with any batteries that you need to maintain, you definitely want to check those maybe once a week, okay? But to run this machine, I'll flip it around here. And obviously this machine you can rent or buy from Pantheon. On our website, we have the tech data sheet on there. We have all the specifications on our website. Our website's very thorough. We try to make sure it's easy to find anything from product data sheets from any of our chemicals that we sell, or tech data sheets, and even all the operational manuals are on our website. Real easy to find. Just put in 3330 in our search bar, boom, there it is. All right, so this is how you turn the vac on right here. You got the vacuum. Actually, just turn it off. So this is the vacuum. It has a 3-stage motor, 2-stage motor actually, 70 water lift on it, so it's a very, very high. It sucks like crazy. Then here is for the switch for the this is the on and off switch, and to drop the brushes, you go ahead and just maneuver it down like this, right? So you're gonna drop your brushes with this switch. If you want to lift your brushes up and put them back. Again, it doesn't have a auto up and down, which you really don't want because it's more things to break down, especially when you're in the sun at work. Guys are loading it in and out of trailers, those kind of things. So it makes the machine very durable. So that's how you drop the brushes in front. If you're going to drop your squeegee you drop here. That's how you drop your squeegee. You don't have the squeegee on right now. We use a curved squeegee. The benefit of the curved squeegee is when you're turning, you don't leave that trail of water. If you have a straight squeegee, when you go to turn, you'll actually leave the water at the edge. So curved squeegee works a lot better. That's what comes with the machine. And what's really nice is it has the built-in charger. So you're not losing your charger or somebody running off with it. It's built into the machine. You just, at the end of the job, plug it in to 110 and you come back, it'll be fully charged, okay? Your recovery tank is in here, so you can take a peek at it, you know, see how full it is, and you put that back. And for your water, you can see how much water you have in the machine from the clear tube here. So this is 30 gallons all the way to the top. You can see how much water you have in there. To dump the machine, which is really nice, it's in front. So you pull up to where you're gonna dump it, an eco pan, or you know, whatever else, buckets. You can do buckets. So it's right up front here, and you just pull this back and you pull this out, and this is where you dump it. So you have, you know, unscrew it, you can put it into, you know, buckets, or again, drop it right to the eco pan. It's gravity fed, all that comes out. If you're going with heavy slurry, I do recommend to put maybe a 5-gallon water hose just to get this thick slurry out, push it out. You don't want to leave any slurry overnight in the machine. It will harden up and it's very difficult to get out. If it does happen, we have a product called EcoCrete. Find it on our website. Works great. Pour this stuff in. It actually will dissolve the hardened slurry, and you can flush it out. So it's EcoCrete. Works great. Works great cleaning your equipment too. This is where you put the water in, your fresh water. Has a little net there. That way you don't have stuff getting into your water tank. So you want to keep that in there. So you put your water in here, and you can put your cleaner in there as well. Couple things, just in the wintertime in areas where it freezes, you definitely want to drain the water out of your tank. If not, there's a valve that can break in there. If you break it, it's not the end of the world. It's a pretty inexpensive part, but in any climates where it can freeze, you always want to drain the water or put it in a room where it's not going to freeze. So something to keep in mind if you're in areas that do freeze overnight. And again, very simplistic machine to run. You can run brushes, or you can run pads on it. If you're doing a heavy clean job, there's these purple brushes called Nyla Grip brushes that NSS sells. Highly recommend. It will remove paint. I mean, from guys, the painters slopping on the floor. It will remove drywall mud. It will remove curing agents. They are incredible for cleaning floors. If you're doing a clean and seal or a clean and densify, the Nyla Grip brushes are the way to go. Now, if you're polishing concrete, you do not want to use the Nyla Grip brushes. You want to use soft bristle brushes, okay? Because Nyla Grips can damage your floor. And like with any auto scrubber on polished concrete, so use soft, and when you stop, just don't let your brushes sit there and turn. So when you go to stop, I recommend, to lift the handle up and get the brushes up. One other benefit of this machine is the head pressure. This has a tremendous amount of head pressure for the machine, and that works better for cleaning. That's why it cleans so efficiently, because you got two big heavy motors. When you drop that thing, it is just full blast onto the concrete. So it cleans really well. You get the Nyla Grips, I'm telling you guys, it cleans like nothing I've ever seen before. People love it. They see drywall mud, boom, it's coming off. Paint, light paint from the overspray, it's coming off. It's great machine. Again, very durable. This thing's a tank. It will put holes in walls. Trust me, I've done it. I hit a wall, it will go through a wall and not even damage the machine. It is that really durable. Polycarbonate is amazing. So as always, we're here to support you. Pantheon Sales and Rental. On our website, we have the tech data sheets and anything else that you need. Give us a call. Thank you.